Yes! I won again! This game is so much fun. I can do my homework later. One more game will be okay.
This is Tom's mother speaking. How can I help you today?
Hello, Mrs. Parker. This is Tom's math teacher. I wanted to let you know that Tom received an F on today's math test.
Oh, I see. Thank you for telling me. I understand. I will talk with him tonight.
Hello, Mrs. Parker. I am Tom's math teacher. I am calling because Tom received an F on his math test today.
An F? Oh my. I understand. Thank you for letting me know. Ethan, Tom's teacher just called. Tom got an F on his math test today.
An F? That is very disappointing. We need to talk with him right away. Tom, turn off the computer now. We need to talk about something important.
What happened? Why are you both looking at me like that?
Tom, look at this test. You received an F. We saw your homework sitting here unfinished while you were playing games. Tom, this is your math test. An F.
Your father and I work very hard for you, Tom. This makes us very sad.
We expect better.
You don't understand. The test was too hard. It is not fair that everyone is blaming me.
You don't love me. You only care about my grades. I hate this house.